Hi there everyone and welcome to the Jungle Goddess Kitchen. I wanted to give you a little tour around my ferments that I have in my fridge and that I'm eating every day. Just to give you an idea of what is possible out there. I'm also going to be then offering some fermenting classes online so you can actually learn how to make many of these different products. So I've got sauerkrauts, kimchis, fermented drinks, many different things. So just to give you an idea, this is a kimchi. This is a goji berry kimchi. It's got a nice spice to it. Kimchi is a two-stage fermentation process generally that originates from Korea. Over here, this is another kimchi. This I made with kohlrabi and mango, but I then blended it. So this is more of a sauce, and I use this often to marinate tempeh. With cooking it, I'm going to lose the probiotics, but you've still got the benefit of that fermentation process because it does improve the nutritional profile of the food and it makes it easier to absorb and process within the body. I've then got some sauerkrauts. This is my white Christmas kraut. You can also do a red Christmas kraut with red cabbage. So this has got cinnamon and cranberries in it. Here is a curry kraut, so it's basically cabbage and curry spice. This, see, I love working with red cabbage. It makes such a lovely coloured sauerkraut. And this one is with orange, basil, beetroot and fennel. I've then got, this was one of my most popular sauerkrauts to sell in Costa Rica. This is my Indian kraut. So this is cabbage, turmeric, ginger, garlic, all really good anti-inflammatory ingredients. So it's all good for gut health. And then a range of Indian spices. This is a red cabbage and pineapple kraut with chili. So it's got a nice kick to it, this one, but it's also got the sweetness of the pineapple. I've got fermented mustard. This is a fermented ketchup that I made with berries that I foraged at the end of summer. So it's made with rowan berries and hawthorn berries. And there's some tomato in there as well. This is a hot sauce made with chilies and cherries. I like using fruit quite a lot. I find fruit works really well in ferments. What else do we have here? Fermenting in honey. I love fermenting in honey. So this is different ingredients that are good for boosting the immune system. So this is like my cold and flu buster. So I've got garlic, ginger, turmeric, horseradish, black pepper, cinnamon stick, rosemary, thyme. So many different ingredients that have got really good medicinal properties. And then it's put with raw honey. And it's fermented. This one's 6 months old. I'm going to leave this at least another 6 months until I start using it. And then you can ferment lots of things in honey, and I was fermenting a lot of berries in honey over summer. And then this is the honey after I've taken the cherries out of it, and it's kind of like a mead. I've also got milk kefir on the go here and water kefir. There's a fairly neglected kombucha over here. As you can see by the size of the mother, it's a little bit neglected. So that just gives you an idea of some of the things that you can do with fermenting. There's a lot of people say, oh yeah, I don't like sauerkraut. Well, there must be one of these sauerkrauts that you would like. It's just, you're limited by your imagination. So please do join me on my free Introduction to Fermenting Masterclass. And then keep an eye out of my courses that are coming up really soon.